YouTube, it's your girl Nisha and I'm back with another video, guys. So today I'll be doing the whisper challenge, guys. So I have my little sister here with me and she'll be doing the challenge with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and of course drop a comment in the comment section. Alright guys, so we're gonna jump straight into this video. So guys, I know using the earphone it can be I don't have a headset, I'm gonna use the earphone. It's loud enough, and I'm also gonna use my PC. Alright guys, so my sister has 6 things she's gonna say to me, and I have six things that I'm gonna say to her. So the first person to get 6 things right is the winner of this challenge. I'm ready to go. Come on. Girl, I'm a deaf bee. Ready?
Ah boy, life's a journey.
What?
Ah boy, life's a journey.
What?
Ah boy, life is a journey.
Ah boy,
Yeah.
my life hard.
No.
See a turn from me lose.
I said, ah boy, life's a journey.
Oh! You know that is something for you to hear. Ready? Alright, so it look like rain a go fall.
It look like rain a go fall.
So now you hear me. You not hear me? Me not laugh with you. I do that now. Me you gone pound and me gone pound. You dey hear me, man? Another song is broken. Turn it up. Find it there, the cold one. Ready?
They call jump over the moon.
What?
They call jump over the moon.
The cold jump over the moon.
Yeah.
Sign and change that. They want me to one, but if you want me not here. Ready? You ready? My hair is long.
My hair is long.
So now you dey hear me. Push down your
Yeah,
skin.
idiot, you know. You never turn on the music.
You could tell me before me say what me was say. You never tell me when time. Ready? I mean, you gonna try thief. You a thief. So, alright. So, I love to plant.
I love to plant.
Me not play. Me don't play. Cause you dey hear me.
No.
Me over. Alright.
My big forehead. My big forehead.
You buy me something before.
No. My big forehead.
Buy a real glass.
No. My big forehead. My big forehead.
Buy a suitcase.
No.
What you say?
My big forehead.
This one I can buy it over here, say. Come. Here you go. So you got what, 4? Make sure you know, for you try TV will see they even not go in your ears good. You not play, but don't play. You ready? Alright, so I love me.
I love me.
So now you cheat, you not push down your stuff in your ears, me I scrap the one.
What?
Push it in your ears and stop thief. Doctor. Doctor.
Doctor.
I get them too easy punch your teeth.
Me?
You're not putting it in your ears good. Ready?
I love Cardi B.
What?
I love Cardi B. I love Cardi B.
I love me.
No, I love Cardi B.
I love anime.
I love Cardi B.
I love Cardi B.
Yes.
We got how much now? We got 3, you got 4 or 5. 4. Ready? Jamaica is the best country in the world. You gotta hear me. Me change this song for your teeth. So
I love Jamaica.
Your teeth.
Peter Piper pick up pickle pepper.
Peter Piper picked up pickle pepper.
God, but that's me.
Me know how you hear me this time. You ready? You ready? It's song all slow down. Yeah, tick. Yo, like that. Me put on something. You know you can't go hear me with. What is? Wait, ready. Man dead no call him Duppy. Man no dead no call him Duppy.
A man ain't like me look like Duppy.
Yes. Wait, we don't done yet. One more try. Come again, move your hand. Man no dead no call him Duppy.
They look like Duppy.
Oh no. Man no dead no call him Duppy.
I know so you go.
What?
I want no dead no call it Duppy.
Well, you got one already. How much I got? 5 me got. What? 5 to? Yes. 5? 5, yes. No. 5 5. Ready? One more. Flare, 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 flare.
Ready? Ready now?
Ready?
Ready now? Me eye them big like.
Huh?
Me eye them big like.
Your head big like.
No? Me eye them big like. Me eye them big like.
Me eye them big like.
Yes.
Whoa, yeah, something. Flare, 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 flare. You know something, you know. Six it and gone already.
Huh?
Six it. I want to do one more. One more? Two more. So we do 60 all there. If I get there, one here, we're gonna do one more and then we cut it. Alright, ready? So if you're gonna get this, you'll lose. Remember. January star. January star.
January.
The music stop. Let's see.
No.
Punch deep, punch deep. Punch deep. You don't hear me say me that no loading up. Video something upbeat. Clog your ears well. I love Bougainvillea. I love Bougainvillea.
If you ever feel up,
I love Bougainvillea.
I love Vegan Villa.
I love Bougainvillea.
I love Vegan Villa.
Back up, Jay. Guys, they're almost close. Alright, so if me lose, me lose. Ready? No. Me gonna get the what? You lose, you know. You lose already. Ready? Come say, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Go down, so. Go low down. Girl, when somebody can just slow down. Yeah. And they can't wind you in a certain wine in a certain catch.
Hello. I need a bread mint.
What?
I need a bread mint.
My bread stink.
I need a bread milk. I need a bread mint.
I need a planting tree. One more try, one more.
I need a bread mint.
I need a bright pencil.
No. I said you need a bread mint.
Why? Justice me. Mommy, me feel bad. Anyways, guys.
You better cut you.
No, we have it good. So, guys, this is the end of the video. Go ahead and tell me what you think about this video. If you like my sister in my video, I can also do one with my mother.
No.
I'm gonna try and get her to do one with me.
No.
But she's not a fan of filming, guys. So I'm just gonna use my sister for now until I get another recording partner. But guys, go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, and remember, Hallelujah!